Tammy Slaton's journey on 1000 LB Sisters has been nothing short of extraordinary. From near-death moments in the hospital to her shocking weight loss transformation and now her long-awaited skin removal surgery, fans have followed her emotional highs and devastating lows every step of the way. But as the TLC reality series hits this major milestone, questions are beginning to swirl. Has the show reached its natural conclusion? Will the network decide to cancel the series now that Tammy's weight loss arc appears complete? These concerns aren't coming out of nowhere. After years of build-up and dramatic cliffhangers, viewers watched in awe as Tammy defied expectations, qualifying for surgery after years of setbacks. Her triumphant walk into the operating room marked a significant shift not only in her personal journey but in the show's core narrative. The surgery was a key moment producers had teased for multiple seasons, and now that it's done, fans are left wondering, what's next? TLC has built its brand around raw, unscripted, emotionally charged content, and 1000 LB Sisters has been a flagship example of that formula working. However, reality TV thrives on tension, conflict, and progress. With Tammy's story reaching a climax and Amy Slaton's storyline growing more chaotic, marked by personal drama, custody battles, and recent brushes with the law, the show seems to be splitting into two emotional lanes, triumph and tragedy. Tammy's life is on the upswing, with her health improving, a new relationship blooming with girlfriend Andrea, and even her mental health seemingly stabilizing. She's no longer the emotional center of crisis she once was. That raises a bigger question for TLC. Can the series still draw viewers if Tammy is no longer the face of the struggle? From a production standpoint, reality shows rely on compelling character arcs. Tammy's metamorphosis is arguably the most compelling story the show had to offer. Fans rallied around her recovery and supported her against all odds, but now that the dramatic weight loss goal has been achieved, producers may be left scrambling to figure out what comes next. Will viewers be as engaged with a show where the main star is succeeding rather than struggling? Meanwhile, Amy's recent issues have taken center stage, with ongoing legal troubles and questions about her ability to care for her two young sons, Gage and Glenn. While these developments are undeniably dramatic, they strike a different emotional chord, one that's darker and more troubling. TLC may be hesitant to keep airing episodes focusing on real-life struggles that are becoming too personal, too raw, and potentially damaging to the cast's public image. Unlike the redemptive tone of Tammy's story, Amy's current trajectory paints a much grimmer picture. If the producers continue focusing on her, the show risks losing the hopeful tone that made it so watchable in the first place. And then there's the question of whether Tammy herself even wants to continue filming. In recent interviews and TikTok lives, Tammy has hinted at being overwhelmed by the cameras and public scrutiny. She's expressed frustration at how certain scenes were edited and how fans sometimes misunderstand her. With her weight no longer threatening her life, and her surgery complete, it wouldn't be surprising if she chose to step back from filming and focus on her new life outside of reality TV. Her relationship with Andrea, too, has been a turning point. The two seem more private, more protective of their personal lives, and less interested in being in the spotlight. Andrea herself is reportedly not comfortable with all the fame that comes with dating a reality TV star. This shift in energy may indicate that Tammy is preparing to move away from the show entirely. TLC also has to consider ratings. While 1000 LB Sisters still pulls strong numbers, there's been a noticeable drop in viewer engagement over the last couple of seasons. Some longtime fans argue that the show has become repetitive, with similar arguments, setbacks, and family drama playing out again and again. Others feel that the most interesting part of the journey, watching Tammy fight for her life, has come to a satisfying close. And in the world of reality TV, a satisfying ending can sometimes mean cancellation. Still, TLC may not want to abandon the show entirely. Spin-offs or specials could be on the table. Perhaps Tammy will return for a one-time, "Where Are They Now?" episode or a behind-the-scenes look at her skin removal recovery. There's also the possibility of a new format that shifts focus to other Slaton family members, such as brother Chris Combs, who is also undergoing a transformation of his own. His weight loss has been impressive, and fans have responded positively to his upbeat attitude and dedication to improving his health. Kris might be the next breakout star TLC wants to invest in. On the other hand, some insiders believe that TLC might pivot the show into a darker, more drama-filled territory by focusing more on Amy's legal battles and custody issues. That would keep the show in headlines but could also alienate the original fanbase who came for uplifting content, not tabloid-style chaos. Moreover, the network must tread carefully with the ethics of featuring potentially vulnerable individuals in emotionally taxing situations. As the lines between entertainment and exploitation blur, TLC may face backlash if they push too far. The recent controversy around other reality shows, like Sister Wives and Welcome to Plathville, has shown that audiences are growing more sensitive to how real people are treated on screen. Tammy's skin removal surgery may represent more than just the end of her transformation, it could signal the end of the entire show. But the Slayton sisters' story isn't just about weight loss. It's also about family, resilience, and the messy, complicated road to personal growth. If TLC chooses to cancel the show now, it could be seen as a graceful exit, ending on a high note, with Tammy surviving, thriving, and reclaiming her life. However, reality TV rarely ends gracefully. The network might opt for one final explosive season, wrapping up Amy's drama, Kris's journey, and Tammy's post-op recovery in a dramatic package designed to pull in one last wave of ratings before bidding farewell. Ultimately, the future of 1000 LB Sisters remains uncertain. But what's clear is that Tammy's transformation marks a turning point that cannot be ignored. Whether the series continues or ends, fans will forever remember her powerful journey, from being bedbound and gasping for air to standing strong. After major surgery, Tammy Slayton has proven that change is possible, that hope is real, and that even the most impossible seeming goals can be achieved with grit, heart, and an unshakable will to survive. The cameras may stop rolling, but her story will continue to inspire long after the final episode airs. For TLC, the challenge now is deciding whether to chase more drama or let a real-life success story end with the dignity it deserves. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.